Why is it not going in? All right, hold on, guys. Technical difficulty. Hold up.
How many ways can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, wait to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own lane, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes, I light up the night.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope everybody's doing good and staying blessed. Today is actually a Friday night, and I got my homie Taz here again, who you guys saw from the previous video, which was Dino Day.
Yes, sir.
Over at Black
Market Racing.
Black Market Racing.
Yes, sir.
Black car, Black Market, right? Whatever, right? But anyways, Taz is here. But he's here for a special event, a special occasion, let's say. What we're doing today is we're going to be installing, which I'll show you guys here in a sec, some nice carbon fiber, dry carbon fiber, real carbon fiber mirror caps. But they're not the ones that just stick on or stick over, overlay, whatever you call them, right? They're actually full replacement with clips. So let me flip this camera around here. And as you guys can see, we already took the glass off and disconnected the wires. The reason we did that, let me show you. Follow me. So, see these right here? Remember I told you guys about the spoon mirrors? Well, we took them off. I took them off, and I put the spoon mirror, which you can see right there, over the factory mirror. So these spoon mirrors will give you better, better sight, less blind spots. Everything is more clear. Obviously it's blue, so it's gonna block like brights, things like that. Here's the other side. Okay, so we got that. Now we are kind of losing light here, but yeah, a little bit. That's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. So we're gonna get some things set up here. I'll be right back with you, and I'm gonna show you the carbon fiber mirror caps. Again, want to say thank you, and we definitely appreciate Taz appearing in another one of my videos. So
yes, sir. Anytime, man. Anytime.
He likes the Type R. Actually, he loves the Type R. All right, guys, back. So Taz is holding the two carbon fiber mirror caps, which is the dry carbon. This is from procivic.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. But as you can see, like I said, it is getting a little dark out, but the GoPro is picking up all those fancy weaves. It's dry carbon with just a little bit of semi-gloss. What do you think, Taz? You approve?
I approve them. They're really, really nice, bro.
I mean, really good. They ain't cheap. No, let's get that out in the open. But
and it's gonna go well with your hood
scoop. It's gonna look really good. So we go right over here, you guys.
Yes, sir.
I'll show them real quick. Yep, just like that. So obviously we popped this piece off right here. We took the glass out, so obviously that won't break. And that's it. We'll just pop them in. Should be relatively simple. We did the hardest part. We got that out of the way. That wasn't very easy. So anyways, be right back with you guys, and we'll keep you updated. Much love. All right, guys, we are back. And before I show you what's going on behind me, what we are doing now is taking off, like I said, the stock mirror cap, the Sonic Gray Pearl stock mirror cap off my 21 Type R, and then we're going to be replacing it with the carbon fiber from Pro Civic, which is dry carbon and has a semi-gloss to it. So it looks really good. It's really gonna match the door handles and everything, you guys. I promise you, the final projection of this is gonna look epic. So hold up, here we go. All right, so what Taz is doing now is using a flathead screwdriver. He's using it right here, and he's applying pressure to the plastic clip, which this is the part I don't know how to do. But he says he's done it before. He's just gonna apply a little bit of pressure here, and it should pop out.
You hold this?
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm gonna hold the phone right here.
There's 3 separate pins that you gotta pop out. You get some light in here.
They're all the way back there, bro.
This one is. This one is way in the back. The other 2 are right in the front, so it's not too bad up here. Just gotta make sure that these don't pop back in place.
Correct. There you go. All right, so we got the, you guys, we got the stock one off like that. It was like that. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually there's a 5th clip right here, right, Taz?
Yes, sir. It's
So
hiding on the side.
hope that didn't break right there, bro. See that? That broke?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can put a little super glue on that.
I guess we broke this one right here, unfortunately. But
This needs to sit back in there anyways.
it's still gonna sit in there. We'll figure that part out. But anyways, guys, let's get to the other one. This is not easy, man, getting the clips out, but apparently the glass was easier than this for sure. But Taz's is a 2018 Type R. You feel me? So it is a little bit different. But this is a 21 Type R, so it's got the wiring and everything. It's got a little bit different clip system. And yeah, so here we go. I'll be right back with you guys. We're gonna start on this side. All right, guys, back, and let's show you what we're working with. We're putting on the, there it is. Damn, look at that, man. Carbon fiber mirror cap from Pro Civic. I'm just gonna set the tripod up here. Yeah, you can't really see it. Nope. So Taz is just aligning. You guys, the clips were hard to get off on the stock one for sure. Now we just have to align it carefully, right?
Yes, sir. Trying to make sure that when we pop it into place, that it's all aligned.
There we go. There's one. Take it back out, bro.
Gotta align those clips.
Yep. Just don't want to break them, bro. We don't want to break the carbon fiber, you know what I mean? Why is it not going in? All right, hold on, guys. Technical difficulty. Hold up. All right, y'all. We got it on finally. There it is. Right there. We're gonna obviously clean it up here, but look dope, man. I really don't recommend getting the full replacements, to be honest with you. Taz, do you recommend them?
They look nice, but it just seems like it's kind of off a little.
They still,
it's on, but
they
it just
don't have, you guys, as you can see, they literally are on, but they don't have perfect fitment. See this right here? That's the side that doesn't fit. Now let me show you the driver's side. Watch, 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 watch. See? So we feel that side is a little bit off from the factory. The reason we say that is because all the clips here in the back are all lined up. See on this side? Everything is smooth. It's got a smooth surface to it. But then when we go over here, might have to ask for a new cap. You thinking that, Taz? Because when we go over here, look guys, look at me. See? See how it's all here? All the clips are in, 1, 2, and then there's a third one right over here in the center. So, alright guys, so we got the passenger side on, and we did take the whole thing off again, and as you can see, it clearly fits. We did break a third clip here that wasn't needed, right Taz? And
it just didn't fit right.
It was the wrong clip they put on. It's like it was for a whole different car or something. We couldn't figure it out because that side doesn't even have that other clip. So it was very weird. Anyways, coming over to the driver's side, we're going to be replacing now with this blue and black. Taz, you want to hold that for me, bro? And that's what I'm going to be doing here. This is like super nerve-wracking because it is glass. However, it is dual layer now because I have the spoon on top of it. So, all right, we're gonna plug in the heat wires. There's 1, 2. All right, Taz, they're set up. Or not set up.
Make sure everything's lined up. Those 2 pins face them the way they're supposed to go. I think the bottom one's supposed to be face down, and that one's supposed to be face to.
Can you show them real quick?
Yeah.
So you guys, here's the pins right here. We just want to show you one side because the other side took so long, we just didn't want to mess with it anymore. So we're just going to show you one side. It's the same thing for the other side, but as these right here. All right, show them right here real quick. These have to line up. You got it, Taz, right there? Yeah. These have to line up to right here and right there. So whichever way this thing is facing, so as you can see, this is facing that way, and then this is facing down. So we want to go like this. And then you know, I'm back. But let me tell you, you guys, this install is not simple at all. Because for some reason, I got it done, okay? But Taz had to go home because we were literally struggling on this side for so long. It's finally aligned, finally works with the, you know, electricity, whatever, when the car is on. But let me show you here. Got this side, and it's still on, but as you can see, it's still loose a little bit right here. See how much that moves compared to the other side? So I will mess with this in the morning. I gotta go back to my kids right now. But either way, I'll get this fixed, at least this side. Finally got that side done, the passenger side, but the driver's side still is an issue. This one fully does not work with the electric mirror, so therefore I apologize guys, something happened on the driver's side compared to the passenger. However, the passenger side was definitely a lot more tricky to get these caps on, because it came with this random clip that was in there. It was right here, and there, as you can see, there doesn't need to be a clip here, and I have no idea why it was there and didn't have one in there. It's very odd to me, and I'll report back to Pro Civic about that. But with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do apologize that the driver's side didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. It does not really work fully with the electric, you know, mirrors inside, the electric controls to control the mirrors inside. So I'm gonna fix that in the morning. It's not a problem, you guys. These things happen, you know. That's what happens when you modify cars, right? That's what happens when you start projects. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, and until next time, always stay blessed and never ever give up. Always keep moving forward and don't hesitate for a damn thing. Much love, y'all.
Balls out, royalties in my team. Only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been. Like Cali, all we do is win. Posted in the valley, cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the one.